Odin, do you have the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups, Odin? Aw, poor baby. Aw. Do you have the hiccups? You get the hiccups all the time, don't you? It really, really sucks, Mom. I really hate it. I get these hiccups and they just won't go away.
What, baby?
How you doing, baby? How you doing? Huh? How you doing? Are you my precious boy?
What, baby?
You got the hiccups. Oh, that's a mean face. That's a mean face. She help me get rid of the hiccups. I think I need a bottle. I think I need something. Give me some food. Oh, I know. Okay, we'll get you something. We'll get you something.